आपके साथ ऐसा होता है कि कुछ इवेंट हुआ, कोई किसी ने कुछ कहा और आप खट से रिएक्ट करते हो और फिर उस रिएक्शन को बाद में रिग्रेट करते हो। मैंने ऐसा क्यों बोला, मैं ऐसे क्यों रिएक्ट किया, काश मैं अपने आप को रोक लेता या रोक लेती। होता है। एंड डू यू थिंक दैट्स अ बिग बिग स्ट्रगल फॉर यू? No matter how much you plan, no matter how many times you decide, next time I'm not going to do this, you again go back with that same reaction. Happens? Great. Now, I know the impact is huge, not just on what happens outside, but there is an impact on you as well, right? In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of pausing before you react. Why is it important to pause before you react? Okay. So stay on right until the end. This is very, very, very critical and a big habit, a massive habit that you can develop if you can only pause before reacting. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you're able to relate with this video. Also subscribe to the channel if you've not done it already. I catch myself so many times where I decide from now on, this is how I'm going to react, or maybe I will not get impacted by this person or in such a situation, and then I catch myself going back to that same reaction, right? आपके साथ भी होता होगा. Now does that mean मेरे साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम है या आपके साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ है जो हमें फिक्स किया जाना चाहिए? Well, not really. No. हम में कोई खराबी नहीं है. अगर आप एक तरीके से रिएक्ट कर रहे हो, उसका सोर्स क्या है? I'll just come to that. But number one, you need to understand कि ये सबके साथ होता है. क्यों होता है? क्योंकि ये आ रहा है, ये जो भी रिएक्शन जिसे हम कह रहे हैं, this is coming from your beliefs. हम इस बारे में बात कर चुके हैं that the way you behave, the way you act, it all comes from your core, the deep rooted beliefs. बहुत गहरे beliefs जो बन गए हैं, जिन्हें ट्रॉमा भी कहा जा सकता है. सो बचपन में जिस तरह से आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ आपका रिलेशन था, जो आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग के दौरान आपने बिलीफ्स पिक कर लिए, धारणाएं बना ली खुद के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में, कैसा उनके साथ रिलेशन था, उस रिलेशन का इम्पैक्ट आज होता है. तो जो भी बिलीफ आपने बिलीफ बनाया, जैसे मेरा बिलीफ था आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, तो अगर मेरा वो बिलीफ ट्रिगर होगा तो एक सर्टेन तरीके से मैं रिएक्ट करूंगी. सेम वे अगर बिलीफ है कि माय बिलीफ इज दैट आई एम ऑलवेज टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड, हर कोई मुझे फॉर ग्रांटेड लेता है, तो जैसे ही वो बिलीफ ट्रिगर होगा, अब ट्रिगर कैसे होगा? बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट में ऐसी कोई भी चीज हुई जिसने आपके उस बिलीफ को ट्रिगर किया, राइट? उसके साथ आपने मतलब क्या जोड़ा? हाँ, ये मुझे फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहा है. Oh, I'm not good enough, that's why he's ignoring me, for example, right? अब कुछ भी रीजन हो सकता है. You don't know what the other person is going through or why is he doing what he's doing. He's coming from his own beliefs, right? But we behave in a certain manner and that happens in the organizations too, doesn't it? So what you need to do here is, होता क्या है, हम instantly react कर जाते हैं because वो belief trigger हुआ. ट्रिगर होते ही थॉट आता है, अच्छा, I need to quickly prove myself here, or I need to give it back to him. समझता क्या है अपने आप को? He can't treat me like this. He cannot take me for granted. I better teach him a lesson. All of those thoughts start to come in, and the moment I get those thoughts, I'm going to behave in a certain manner, which is my learned behavior. वही मैं करती आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे और कोई तरीका नहीं आता है वहां रिस्पॉन्ड करने का. नाउ कर क्या सकते हैं? ये तो हो रहा है बिकॉज देर आर बिलीव्स. सबके बिलीव्स है 100%, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी ऑल बिहेव इन आवर ओन वेज व्हेन वी आर ट्रिगर्ड. सो इट्स नेचुरल, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, कर क्या सकते हो? बिकॉज दिस हैज अ सर्टेन इम्पैक्ट, यू डोंट वांट टू रिएक्ट दैट वे. You need to first understand and accept that this is not who you are. I am not good enough is not who I am. I'm really good. If I sit down, think logically, I'm really good and I'm enough. But the belief is so strong, I give that reaction. So in that moment, what will happen is, if I pause, what's the purpose of pausing? जैसे ही ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन है, पॉज करने से दो चीजें होंगी. पहला, you will first ask yourself, is this authentic me? Or am I coming from my beliefs? Am I behaving because my belief has been triggered? You got it? I'll just repeat this. The moment you pause, you ask yourself, you check, you reflect, am I coming from my authentic self, which is who I really am? At the core, this is not who I am. At the core, I'm not somebody who wants to hurt others, shout, yell. At the core, I am who I am. So is this my authentic self, or is this behavior an outcome of my belief being triggered? Now, the moment I see, and you'll be able to see that, it happened with me very, very recently, where I could see that here I am acting out of my ego and not my authentic self. Belief trigger hua, and I was like, मैं तो नहीं करूँगी, कुछ भी कर लो. And then I said, hold on. No matter what the other person has done, it is non-acceptable for me, but that's a different matter. What I am doing right now is coming from my ego self. That's not authentic me. The moment you get that, the moment you're able to distinguish, the second thing is that you have a choice. You can make a choice to respond in a different manner and not in the usual manner that you react every time. So maybe you start yelling, but the moment you see, नहीं, ये मेरा trauma है, मुझे फिर से वही feel हो रहा है कि मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता या मुझे for granted ले रहे हैं और इसलिए मैं ये react कर रही हूँ. So, what do I want to do? My authentic self is this. So maybe right now I just want to walk away from here, or maybe I don't want to say anything, okay? Whatever it is, or you can just, or maybe I just want to let the other person know, hey, I'm not liking this. Can we take this up later? Now imagine आपने एक ये जो response दिया, इससे बहुत कुछ जो आगे बढ़ सकता था, वो वहीं रुक गया. जो आप बाद में regret करते, वो वहीं पे रुक गया, and you will feel so amazing about yourself, and that is what the healing journey is all about. That is what turning yourself around, creating a new you is all about, right? So I want to make this very, very important point because I had gone through this very recently and I caught myself acting out of my ego self, and then I also made a different choice. It is very powerful. So every time you are confronted with a situation where you're quick to react in the same manner that you do every time, just pause. क्योंकि पॉज करते ही आपको वो पावर मिल जाएगी. पहला कि मैं कहाँ से एक्ट कर रही हूँ, एंड दूसरा what do I want to do now? You can have a different response. Yeah, and this will turn around your relationship with yourself, and therefore your relationship at your workplace, in your personal life, everywhere. You see, you'll have amazing results. All that stress, anxiety, lot of things, you'll be at ease. Just catch yourself. Mere beliefs. I hope you got it. If you were able to relate with it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please write to me what was your takeaway. Aapne kya dekha apne liye? Put that in the comment box. That's very, very important. I would love to connect. I would love to respond. If you have a question, then also put it in the comment box. And great. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.